Since Allen and Thomas have adopted this facility, we have requested 210 valuations. Of those 210, 140, there's been a need to increase the sum insured. There's actually been 3 where people have been overinsured, so they've pleasantly had sums insured reduced and returned premiums. But the important thing is people are thinking about the correct amount that the property should be insured for, because the consequence, particularly if there's more than one financial individual involved in the property, can be immense if there is a major loss and the property is not insured for the correct amount. 12 months ago, we had a client request a valuation. The building at that time was insured for £2 million. The valuation came back just short of 3.5 million. And then about 4 months ago, suffered a major impact claim where a lorry hit the building. The cost to repair is £95,000. Now, if we had not increased the sum insured to the 3.5 million, that claim would have been reduced to £56,000. And consequently, the client would have been substantially out of pocket. From our perspective, we believe as a professional organisation, it is our duty to give the best advice to customer, and if we can call in outside services to do that at a very reasonable cost, we feel that is very important, because, as I've just explained, the consequence of underinsurance can be devastating. We talk to clients throughout the year, but more often not when the policy is due for renewal. We would either in writing or verbally state to them that we have this facility. If a client then wishes to go ahead, it is a simple thing of completing a 1-page form, submitting that to rebuild cost assessment. They then complete all the valuations internally. Then generally within 48 to 72 hours, we would have a 8-page report back from them, clearly showing why they consider the appropriate building revaluation to be. If we have valuations that we're querying, we can pick up the phone, quite often speak to the surveyor himself and discuss anything that may be under query. Not every building is straightforward. Some have more complications than others. We chose rebuild cost assessment. We thought they were very forward thinking in terms of what the service they can provide for customers. It's extremely well priced. It's backed by the Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors, so the insurance industry takes note of that, and the consequence of not being insured correctly, which I've mentioned before, is so important.